bitch so bad, you spend your cash on a bitch you never had, yeah. Mama told me, boy, don't last, so I ain't gon' slide if that shit ain't by the bag, yeah. My life changed so fast that I don't even recognize myself from last year. Said she never needed no man, but when she with you, said she needs somebody else. And I ain't tryna add no pressure for ya. I know that they all doing extra. She got dark thoughts, let me hit some, yeah. Baby, I be messed up for ya. Said she wanted me to explore her now. Baby, let me get a little toy, yeah. And she got dark thoughts, let me hit some now. Baby, I be messed up for ya. I get dark thoughts too, but I keep them. Shorty got a friend group of hoes, so I treat them. All the shit I keep it on the low, but I peep them. Nowadays I'm stuck up in that mode, don't need a re-up. Bitch, I'm really him, tell a nigga keep up. Always got that cutter on me, let a nigga creep up, yeah. Oh, they need a squad, they need a team up, yeah. Bitch, I feel like Scotty got my beam up. No, my bitch so bad, you spend your cash on a bitch you never had, yeah. Mama told me, boy, don't last, so I ain't gon' slide if that shit ain't by the bag, yeah. My life changed so fast that I don't even recognize myself from last year. Said she never needed no man, but when she with you, said she needs somebody else. And I ain't tryna add no pressure for ya. I know that they all doing extra. She got dark thoughts, let me hit some, yeah. Baby, I be messed up for ya. Said she wanted me to explore her now. Baby, let me get a little toy, yeah. And she got dark thoughts, let me hit some now. Baby, I be messed up for ya. No, my bitch so bad, you spend your cash on a bitch you never had, yeah. Mama told me, boy, don't last, so I ain't gon' slide if that shit ain't by the bag, yeah. My life changed so fast that I don't even recognize myself from last year. Said she never needed no man, but when she with you, said she needs somebody else.
Shit on my head. You grown, shit, no, I don't got time for this. Alone, you just wanted somebody that might say crazy shit, they think we playing. A lot of my head is just replaying. Forever, she telling me, keep saying. I hit from the back and now she saying. I roll up the pack and now she saying. I keep it a stack and now she saying. Spend and made it back and now she saying. Tell her I'll be back and now she saying. No, no, don't gotta go when you want. Leather seats on this truck, I ain't came with the coupe, yeah, my list a little taller. Bad romance, shorty like Lady Gaga. She want a pop star, roster. I got no hoes on my roster, I'm proper. Look through my record, say that you a cash. It's a long time trying to get to a kasha. Tryna know what I'm on, ready know that you gon' hit me like. Tryna know when I'm gone, come and touch down in your city like. Love to being alone, ain't no one there tryna blow the light. Welcome mind on my soul, probably won't go hold with your side. I got too much to live, no time to forget. New chrome, yeah, I got this shit on my head. You grown, shit, no, I don't got time for this. Alone, you just wanted somebody that might say crazy shit, they think we playing. A lot of my head is just replaying. Forever, she telling me, keep saying. I hit from the back and now she saying. I roll up the pack and now she saying. I keep it a stack and now she saying. Spend and made it back and now she saying. Tell her I'll be back and now she saying nah, nah.
We told you not to get addicted. Close your eyes. Let it take you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I do that shit all the time, but I still don't overstay. Telling me all that she wants time, but I still don't know to stay. How to do me, yeah, so what? I know you won't understand. My radar, no soul, no. I can see a honey. Said she want a nigga like me, yeah. Good Lord tryna find me, whoa. Unlikely, yeah, they can find me, yeah. Said she want a nigga like me, yeah. Good Lord tryna find me, whoa.
Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back. New week, new opportunities. Let's get after it. Let's go. Excited for this new week. Let me hop on the economic calendar. This is what this week is looking like. So basically, we don't have any news today. No news Monday. We have news at 8:30 here. This is just Europe time, but this is 8:30. Tomorrow news, and then 8:30 again on Wednesday. And then, it's FOMC. It's like 2 p.m., I think, for EST. So FOMC is going to be a very good day. I'm going to be streaming then later, and maybe even just also look at what unemployment claims does. So I might be trading 2 sessions here and just be careful on only playing the good setups. And then Thursday bank holiday, and then Friday I don't know if it's going to be a good time to trade, but I'll show up anyways. The only time I'm not going to show up this week is of course on the US bank holiday. I will trade any day, but just not bank holidays. I think that's the best thing, to just stay out. And I think even the market doesn't even move then. So yeah. So today, still I'm bullish on the higher time frame. Still, like I'm saying for like weeks, I'm eyeing these highs here on the monthly time frame. This will take a long time maybe or not. Doesn't really matter. I'm just bullish on the higher time frame. So we have this monthly PSP at the lows again. We have this monthly from a few weeks ago. And now here I'm seeing that we create a small monthly here on the 4-hour time frame. You see that we basically opened the new week already making a lower low on YM, but on NQ and ES we don't do so. So it's a really small one, but it can take I'm just still gonna draw it out. Like I seen last week where some really, really small sequential SMTs, like between minutes, they still work. So if it's a crack, it's a crack, and I'm gonna trust it, especially if it also forms a displacement. So yeah, we have this monthly potentially. Do we have anything on the bearish side? Nope. Do we have any PSPs here? Let me check. I don't think so. On the 4-hour, nope. Now on the 4-hour, we are in kind of a range. This is literally what we did like whole last week. We just swept the buy side, and then I think we form equal lows here even. So yeah, we're kind of in the range. Higher time frame still unclear, but I'm more eyeing bullish setups. But yeah, retracements can always happen. We can easily go lower, take out these equal lows, and then go up. So higher time frame unclear. We can do whatever we want. It's also Monday, so maybe let the range play out. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame for the weekly cycle. I don't think we have anything here. Didn't take out Friday's highs on YM. Did not take out Friday's highs on NQ. Also not on ES. Do we take out the lows? Nope. But I think this monthly is also a weekly as well, right? Because this happens between Thursday. Oh no, never mind. This happens between. Let me see. I don't think so. No, I think this is just a monthly. Yep. So 1-hour PSPs. We form a 1-hour PSP right now. This high here can be a liquidity pool or can be a high swing point. Let's see. I'm just gonna mark everything out. Let's go to the daily cycle. We are now in trading in premium, I would say, because we are above all the true opens. So shorts look better here because we're in premium in terms of this range and also in terms of the true open. So yeah, let's see for daily cycle. Don't have anything on the highs. Do we have anything on the lows? I don't think so. Maybe like all the way here, but I don't see anything, to be honest. Someone's saying daily SMT with ES. I don't see anything, to be honest. I think we need to roll over the contracts, by the way. Let me double check because I saw, I think the price action of the new contract looks better. I might need to switch to that quickly. So oh, not indicators, of course. NQM that we're trading right now on, but I think we might need to switch today to NQU. Let me just quickly compare the charts. Okay, this is the new contract and this is the current one. Yeah, guys, I think I need to switch. Maybe I'll do it after this session. Oh, fuck it. Let's do it right now. I have 9 minutes left. Okay, sorry, guys. I think we need to switch the contracts. So what I'm going to do is make sure I add them right here. So the new ones are called NQM. No, that's one we're trading right now. NQU, ESU. So make sure you switch to the U contract. Pretty sure it's like today that it's rolling over. Yeah. You guys see this here? This purple thing on the chart? Do we say anything here about the contract rollover? I don't think so. But I saw like a video of someone saying that it's contract rollover date. Let me double check. Can someone confirm? I'm not really sure. Look at the difference between the charts. I think the new one looks cleaner, right? Yeah. I'm gonna roll over to this contract. Yeah, it's not for the entire month of June, Nathaniel. It's like, it's just a date within the month. It's not like the whole June, I think. So I'm gonna delete this one, and this one. And now I have these for my analysis. Make sure that I am on here. And then also, the top step does it automatically, by the way. TFDX, you don't need to worry about it. But if you do your analysis, yeah, make sure that we are on the right contract. So let me just check what I already drew out here so that I don't forget. So I just drew out the 1 hour PSP, monthly, and then these monthly and PSP. Yeah. So, okay, let me delete all this. Bum, bum, bum. And then let's switch this to NQ, this to YM, and then this to the new ES. Let's go. And then the 4 hour charts as well. Let me switch this, NQ, ES, YM. And I think we're good now. Okay, so let me restart quickly. The only thing that I need to draw out is, again, this monthly PSP. And then we have this monthly somewhere here, I remember. Doesn't really matter, it just happened somewhere there. And then now we have a potential monthly here. We form equal lows here, but it doesn't really care about it because we have a monthly here. Now here on the 1 hour, we have a precision swing point. Okay, this is where I left off. Okay, so the true opens, we're trading in premium. We are about to hit this buy side. I don't know if there's SMT here. Nothing at all here. I checked on the daily cycle. I don't see anything. I checked on the 90-minute cycle. I also don't see anything here. Nope. And a microcycle is just Not looking that clean today. It's a Monday, so just want to tape read this. And if there's only a really clean setup, I might take it. If it just follows my system. I don't know, Dow still looks ass here. What the hell? What's the difference between NQ and NQU? So NQ with like an exclamation mark. This one is just the default contract, like what most people use. But to be more accurate, you need to be on the latest contract. So one with like a M, U, Z, or H. And depending on the quarter of the year that we're in, we need to switch between them. So every 3-4 months, we need to switch. Right now, we need to switch to the September contract. And what September 2025 means is that this contract right now, you might think we need to be on the June, but now we need to be on the September, and this one expires on September. So then if like the next one is in December and it like expires on December, right? So it's a little bit weird, but that's how it works here in futures. I do think that today is rollover date. I think it was like the 16th of June, which is today. So yeah, guys, buys on the higher time frame bullish. I don't think there's any like SMTs or PSPs. It's kind of dry today, which can be expected. Like it's just no news here. And a Monday, so maybe just let the range play out. But it's also always good to just hop on the markets on Monday to freshen up your strategy and to lock in for the rest of the week, so that you start off with a great start. If you were patient today, you didn't take any setups, that's a good start of the week, right? If there's nothing. So yeah. Wait, I'm tripping. This is Dow. Holy shit, I need to switch this. This should be Dow. Okay, nice. On the weekly profile, what is the true open? 6 a.m. Monday or 6 a.m. Tuesday? 6 p.m. Monday is the true open. So for this week, it's not already established. We need to wait for the end of the day, and then we form the true week open. Yes. Nice. So yeah, we need to switch. Everyone was trading still on the NQM. We need to switch to NQU and ESU and YMU. These are now the contracts that are most recent, and so the most accurate and the most clean. And I mean, we need this, right, for cracks in correlation. So let's see what we do here in this 1 hour gap that we're in. We just opened the market. 9:30 here. Looking like a really nice draw here. Definitely eyeing for this to get taken out here, for us to do something. Okay, that was quick. took out this draw now, took out the 1 hour PSP. Did we have any SMT fill here? Nope, we all tapped this 50-minute gap here. Everything is kind of going symmetrical, so no setups here for me. We form a 90-minute, I believe, or what is this? Let me check. Yep, so 90 minutes sequential SMT potentially here. ES is failing, also YM is failing to take out the previous 90-minute quarter highs. ES took it out. Let's see if YM also strong to do this. Which PSP indicator are you using? It's private now. My friend is working on like a crazy Quarterly Theory indicator, and that will launch like in next week or very soon. But like I want an indicator where we see something like this, right? Where we see like the 90 getting happen like at the same time, but we don't need to like check it. Like the indicator will see it. Like if it's a 90, a micro, or daily, that will be so cool. And right now the indicators that are now on for Quarterly Theory, they just do it like this, like a small line, like marking out the previous quarter high and low. And I really want it to be like this. So whenever we make a new high, like the line goes diagonal with it, right? And it's really looking like an SMT. And then let's say we form a micro here, then also it will mark out. So I need something like this, and I mean, we're working on it. I can show you a quick example of what my friend is doing. But that's really cool. I need that. Like we already have a PSP. It's going to be public soon. And then this is like, let me show you guys. You see this here? Oh, wait. Look at this. So this indicator can mark out like 90-minute sequential SMT daily with YM, 90 with YM. That will be so cool because that's something that I just need to like automate. And of course, it's not like a pattern trade then. You still need to apply the context, but it just helps you already not focus on all the cracks. And so you make sure you don't miss anything. And then you can form your setups from there. So YM took out the highs here. This 90 is invalidated. Maybe we form still a hidden, but let's see here in 20 seconds. Zusi has the same thing, but for his cycles, you can check. Yeah, basically we want to make the same thing as Zusi, but then for Quarterly Theory, right? He makes, he has other time cycles. I think he also uses the 90-minute, but he has like 10-minute cycles as well. And we use like microcycles, which is like 22.5 minutes. So we need that. And I'm pretty sure we can make that, and then that will be so cool. Then we have true opens, PSPs, SMT indicators, and then even working on like an SMT fill indicator. And then, yeah, that will be so cool. And making sure that every indicator is like its own. So we don't have like one big indicator with like everything on it. So otherwise you need to check and uncheck everything. Whereas if you only want to see the PSPs, I just do this and bam, I see it. If I only want to see the SSMTs, I only check that indicator and I can see it, right? It just helps like as a guide. So no hidden, I believe. So nothing here. This is Friday's high, right? So this is weekly bearish now. Yeah. Or not. This is essentially Friday's high, I think. Yeah, this is Friday's high. So no weekly. So Friday already starts at Thursday, 6 p.m., right? That's when the Asia session starts. So nothing to see here. Only thing here on the lower time frame is that we have like a 1 minute PSP here. You see if I hop on this indicator, then this high here is a 1 minute PSP. Is it something on the 5 minute? Nope. So yeah, waiting for something that can tell us more. Like taking longs here is just not high probable. We are up in premium. We just step from this gap and we go up. The only thing that we have is like a clean draw here. This was a really clean draw, but that's not the reason that you should take a trade, right? You should have everything aligned from your strategy, and then that's when you hit the button. For your strategy, must the higher time frame key level be unmitigated? What do you mean by this? Like, I don't always need a key level. The only key level I use is like a gap. A new week opening gap, a fair value gap, an imbalance, an inverse fair value gap, a BPR, volume gap. I only use gaps. I think order blocks are quite shit. I don't like them. It doesn't make sense to me. It makes more sense to me that we rebalance to gaps than that we rebalance to an order block. Like I need it to make sense to me, and I don't like order blocks. But there's sometimes where I might take like an entry on an order block, but that's when everything aligns and it's just like an entry model. It's a weekly bearish. No, it's not. It's not. This is, if you think this is Friday's high, it's not. According to Quarterly Theory, this is Friday's high. Right here. By gap, you mean fair value gap? Yeah. I just hate the word fair value gap. I just like to call it a gap. It's just fair value gap. I hate the word. So here we tapped this gap here and it was left unfilled on ES. So we have here an SMT fill that can push us higher up. I think today, this week can be a really nice week with FOMC. But that's the only really day that might be a good day. So I might be trading then the 2 sessions. The indicators are not public yet, man. I need to wait. I'll announce it on stream or on my Instagram. And I don't trade Forex. I don't trade Forex. So higher time frame, bullish, bullish, bullish. We just opened the new week here, not sweeping the lows, I think. Like literally forming equal lows, but I don't care about it because while we do this, we have a monthly bullish here because YM, they opened the market here, the new week, already sweeping like just going, making a lower low compared to last week. Whereas on NQ and ES, we still don't take out last week's low. So we actually open the market, have already monthly bullish. It's not really a high probable one. I just like if it would be like in the middle of a quarter, or if it would be like a clean sweep, because this is just a low of last week on OIM. But it is a crack. I'm gonna use it anyways. So this can be a reason why here we inverse this 4-hour gap. So now we might go all the way to new all-time highs, or these highs. Because there's nothing on the bearish side, right? So I'm bullish if there's nothing on the bearish side. It's a monthly and weekly at the same time. Well, I checked. I don't think so. Let me double check. So this is Monday. Wait, what the hell? Yeah, you're right. I think you're right. Because Friday already begins at 6 p.m. Thursday. Or am I tripping? No, it's not. There you go here. Yeah, it is. So monthly plus weekly makes it even stronger for longs. I just need an indicator for this, man. It's so hard to keep up with everything. But that's good because we're helping each other here in the chat. Like sometimes some people see something while others don't. But that's why I love this. Like it's such a nice strategy to have. It makes sense. Like we're looking at both sides of the market. We're looking at SMTs, SMT fills, all reasons for the market to reverse. And we just stack them up and see what side makes most sense, and then you can take setups. Here for longs, there's nothing here for longs. But I'm long biased, but that doesn't mean I'm going to take a long. Because we're not below true opens. We just stepped the 50-minute gap and expanded from here. Yes, there was nice draw on liquidity, but no SMTs, no PSPs. Continuation just from the 1 minute SMT fill here, but I would just let this day play out, to be honest, see what we do. Contract we're using right now is NQU. So still can use this. Yes, we swept this high. It's not Friday's high, but we can use this for like a normal SMT, right? SMTs still move the market. It's just like sequential SMT is like high probable. I'm gonna clean up my charts as well soon. You only need the most important things. If there's something that just doesn't make sense, just delete it. Make your charts clean, because the more clean your charts are, that's why I always like hit this button here in TradingView. I want to see like an unbiased version of the market, not with my bullish confluences, because then I might miss out on bearish confluences, right? So yeah, here, because we already have this crack here, then Monday can just easily expand higher. It doesn't need to form cracks. If it doesn't form cracks, then we just don't enter trade. It can just already push up because we already have the cracks here. But yeah, lower time frame cracks like a 90-minute daily micro would have been nice inside this maybe like 50-minute gap. Then I would have taken this maybe if there was a micro here, but then still it's not below true open, so it's kind of low probable. But yeah, few micros won't hurt. And yeah. Why is everyone saying Trump indicator, Donald Trump pattern? What's happening? Here's also something that I'm looking at. So if we have a 1 minute SMT fill here, so basically what we do is we tap this gap on NQ, but we don't tap this on ES. So once we then form a displacement like this, we just give some signs that we want to go higher from here, then that can be an entry. But then after we took out low-hanging fruit, like the next high, then this becomes lower probable, right? Because we already made a second leg up. Same thing with like if you trade a market maker sell model and already the targets are hit, then you don't want to re-enter, right? Big displacement here. Please explain the fruit thing. What do you mean, low-hanging fruit? It's just like the next high or the most obvious first take profit. So if you took this long here, your low-hanging fruit should be here. If you take this short here, you enter somewhere here, your low-hanging fruit is here. Why? Because I see this as like a low resistance liquidity pool. And yes, this might also be connected, but like it's way lower. This is your obvious like low-hanging fruit then. And it's kind of subjective. You can choose whatever, but once you like show up more times than on the market, then you'll realize what like the most obvious next target is. And one thing from last week, I'm also going to keep away for someone that watched my weekly reflection I posted yesterday. Usually when we have like say a market maker buy model like this, I'm just going to draw something ugly here, but basically here's a smart money reversal. Usually I had my low-hanging fruit like all the way on the top of the market maker model, like here, right? Your low-hanging fruit. But you should just take profits at the redistribution right here. When you see like a clean, like in the middle of your market maker buy model, like on the left side of the curve, you see like an accumulation like this. This should actually be your low hanging fruit. This is nice low resistance liquidity. So if you took a long here, let me mark this out as lowering. Where is this? Here, then you should take profits right here. Like sometimes I'm just too greedy, and you just know that if we take out this market like highs, like these lows of liquidity, we will most likely just have a retracement, and that retracement might stop you out at break even. So just better take profits, and you can always re-enter later. Never be greedy. Like the best traders, you need to watch their streams. Like they just take profits as soon as possible. And it's not, I'm not saying you need to have a bad risk to reward, but like just take profits when it makes sense. Like, you know, the feeling that you have when you're, oh, let's go, that's another winning day, but you haven't closed your profits yet. That's the time that you need to close the profits. And also when you're about to like take screenshots and stuff, oh my God, please take profits. This reminds me of what Justin has talked about from Wednesday. Oh, I don't know, I don't watch him anymore, but yeah, I learned a lot from him, so I might be repeating what he's saying. He's very good with this stuff. SMT fill here again. Who are your top 3 mentors? It's Justin Warline, it's Trader Day, and the third one, poof. I don't know, maybe I'd say TGR. I did his bootcamp and stuff. I don't think he's the best trader, to be honest. Nothing against him. He's just a genius marketing guy, and he has a lot of like skills, but I definitely think that Justin is a way better trader, Trader Day as well. Yeah. But for his psychology talks and stuff, like for people that watched like, I don't know, 1 year or 2 years ago where he like started crying and stuff, like that just such a good motivation. So nothing really to see here. We opened the market right here. We have some nice liquidity, which I want to see taking out. That happens, but there's no setup at all. No SMT. We then make another leg up from this SMT fill. Now again, we make another leg up SMT fill. We go up. So really nice to see that these cracks work, but it's not any combo crack. Like if there was like a 50-minute gap, I would love to see a micro here. With this SMT fill, I would love to see like a PSP. Just a combo of cracks, which we don't really get here. And it doesn't need to happen, right? It's just a continuation day. So now we might have the weekly bearish. This is the Friday's high. We took it out on ES, we took it out on NQ. But I don't think we do it on YM. So yeah, very ugly SMT here. I don't really like this. We're very strong on the 1 hour time frame, but I'm gonna still draw them out. Like that's my lesson from a few weeks ago. I'm keep trying this out because you never know. There might be like a daily bearish, 90-minute bearish now, and then I just missed the setup. So SMT weekly. Not really a fan of this, but still marking everything out. I've been trading ICT concepts from 2 years. I've been following many guys and learned from many mentors. Now I'm planning to only focus on quarterly theory and in indices. Am I correct? It's just what I did as well, and it's gonna work for me. I know. Just take some time. Whatever you feel is best is best, man. I definitely think you're not wrong going into quarterly theory because it helped me improve the way I read the market. So yeah, very good. Who is Justin? Justin Warline, like the guy with like glasses, and I think he has like a goatee. No. Would love to see that NQ takes out these highs. Like that would be a better SMT. Then we still have the weekly because ES is long way to go towards these highs. So this would be great if we do that. And then maybe we have some bearish setup here. For sure, Matthias. A lot of people are profitable. That's the best motivation for me. If I see people get profitable trading, making crazy income, then I just know it works, right? If someone can do it, everyone can do it. Like, I'm curious, like, how many people here, like, are in school now? Because I'm pretty sure most people, like, it's like exams, no? I don't know about in Europe, but all my friends are, like, in the middle of his exams, and, like, it's the middle of school, like, 9:30 or, like, 3:30, I don't think. Like, what are you guys, like, occupation? You're just not a student anymore? Because I'm sure in summer, if I'll stream in summer, then a lot of people, more people will show up, right? Because everyone is just free in midday. That would be cool if someone's like watching me in the classroom. College, I finished mine like a year ago. Okay, nice. Just finished, nice. So you guys are now just trying to make it with trading. You can DM me, I'll send you. Summer classes? Oh yeah, or like, how is it called? Like when you work for a company, like at the end of your college, but you don't really get paid, like. Occupied by trading, my stupid strategy. Yeah, I also dropped out of school, but like I have something that makes me some money to the side so that I can live. So that way trading doesn't require me to make profits, and that really helps me. So I can just focus on following my strategy now, trying to build the best habits, and then I might switch my income stream from that to this, and then, because I mean possibilities are endless with this. Internship, oh yeah, nice. I did not take any trades. Today I was bullish, but there's nothing that makes me want to enter a setup. Like you might be thinking, oh, we missed this whole move. No, for me not. I'm chilling. I don't think there was any setup here, but I was more bullish biased. But again, I'm not taking a long setup just because I'm bullish biased. Like I think then you're just gambling. You need to have some set of rules. I need to have some SMTs here, PSP. This gap was nice, but there was no cracks here. It was also below the true opens. You see here, if I pull on this indicator, true session open, true day open, on all three assets is like way lower. So we are in premium. Yes, longs make most sense. You can trade like micros, but there's no SMT PSP combo here that I want to take a trade from. And there's gonna be a lot of times this week where it will be the case, so there will be opportunity every single day. Bowie, I got some ID. Please elaborate it. If all the traders put the stop loss in the same place, there will be artificial liquidity and the algo will touch their stop loss. So all the concepts will fail. Nah, bro, that will not happen. I'm sorry. I don't believe this shit. But funny comment. Nah, bro, I'm sorry. That shit doesn't make any sense. I took along after the SMT fill in the 930 gap. Just felt it will go up. And it was great P3. Yeah, sure. If it follows your strategy, that's amazing. I already said beginning of the stream, I want to see these highs getting taken out. I'm bullish on the high time frame. There's just no high probability setup here for me to take a trade. But this SMT fill, that's fine. You put your stop here, we go up, or even if you're cheeky, like if we displace from the SMT fill, you put your stop here and you mark this SMT fill low as like your invalidation. I'm sorry. You think AI will change the algo? Stop losses will be different. Overall money moving will change. I don't know, bro. We have to see. And I know AI can be really, really smart, but does it have like discretion of like a human being? Like, yes, for sure, it can have like AI is just data, right? AI is just a lot of data. And because of that data, they get smart. But I don't know if there will be like an AI that can get all the data, like all the data channels. Like, but if you think about it, if you want to build an AI shit here, then AI needs to have all the data of all the candles on all time frame of like 2 years or 3 years. So they need to have the open, high, low, close of every single candle. That's crazy. Maybe that's possible, I don't know, but for now we're chilling. Like I wouldn't trust any AI thing. Or if I try to, if I find something and I try to prompt the AI to follow my strategy, maybe it will work, I don't know. Maybe it can and help as an assistant, but still I think you should be the one that is selling or buying. But you can have like him as like an assistant. I think that would be nice. I think that's possible in the near future, but like someone like an AI that's saying like, oh, now we have a daily bullish, but watch out because we also have a daily bearish. That would be actually dope. And I think that might be soon, like at the end of the year or next year, because AI is evolving super fast. I have an AI agency that's making me some money right now that is like doing AI stuff. So I know what I'm talking about, but we're not there yet for trading, I think. This guy again here asking if I'm married, and then someone answers, ask him when he's profitable. That's a good one. It's just AI and automation, man. I just built like systems that make people's life easier and stuff. Because at the end of the day, you can be trading, like, but you need some other side hustles. Like a lot of people that have their strategy down, like they do other stuff with their life. They have other passions. I also have other passions because trading is so boring. Like you're just staring at a screen, you're watching candles print, and you only enter when your strategy aligns. So for me, it's only taking like 2-3 hours a day to trade, maybe maximum, and then 20 minutes extra in the evening to do my journaling, and then at the end of the week 1 hour or 3 hours maximum to do my weekly reflection. And that's why I also want to do content creation and actually also help people out maybe for free. And yeah, I also want to build a business next to it, because I think like I don't have school anymore. Like I just do this and then some other business. but I need to focus on trading being my main thing, right? Because I know this is the biggest skill that I have now. I've been working for this for like almost 3 years, so. Yeah, I'm trading a prop firm. How did you get into AI automation? YouTube, learning from people that do the same thing. You can learn so much stuff online. It's crazy right now. If you're in 2025, I read a tweet last night from someone that's just so real. Like, let me go find it. I don't think I have it, but it was something like, in 2025, it is so easy to just stand out with something. Like, it's genuinely so easy. If you don't go out every weekend, if you don't drink every weekend, if you don't like spend too much time with friends and stuff, you can do it. But like, if you just focus on something, you just are interested in something, you build a project around it, it's so easy to stand out nowadays. All the information is out there. You can just do whatever you want. You just need to start and be consistent. Like, so many people, they say like, oh, that's so cool, you're building an AI automation agency, but I just watched YouTube videos for an entire year instead of just doing stupid stuff, and now I can do this. Oh, that's so cool, you can trade. You can do this as well. You can just put your head down for 2-3 years, maybe 1 year nowadays with all the information that you get here, and just learn it. It's not like rocket science. The hardest thing is doing it every single day, which I'm doing right now. This is the hardest thing. Once you have everything you need, actually applying it. So when it comes to business, it's like applying the business skills, learning sales skills. Because if you are good with AI and stuff, you're still not a business. Like, you need to sell people, you need to have sales skills. In trading, you can have a crazy strategy. Everyone can learn a crazy strategy. But the hardest thing is actually showing up every single day, following your rules. That's something big, right? Don't hedge, man. Hedging is not allowed with a lot of prop firms, and it's also very stupid. If you're hedging, you basically are saying that you're gambling, right? Right away, because you don't know where the market wants to go, so you just put one buy position and one sell position at the same time. Looking for these highs to get taken out here on NQ, also on ES, and maybe then like YM will touch this gap, and we still have the weekly, so there we can maybe form a better setup. But yeah, I don't think today will be any more. I will also go in like 50 minutes. I have a meeting. But yeah. Every single day is a new day to learn stuff. Today was just a continuation up. Some cracks pushed us further up on the lower time frame, but no lower time frame SMTs that made me want to enter a trade. Good luck, man. Nice to see you here, Matthias. Only weekly? Yes, only weekly. But I want these highs to get taken out here. I am bearish after we take out Thursday high on NQES. Yep, maybe then we can see it this like a retracement at least, and maybe a bearish setup. Can you once say about those quarterly theory indicators which you use? Man, I'm saying this like a lot of times, so that's why I don't answer your question. Like, these indicators are not live yet. I'm testing them. I'm trying to build SMT indicator with someone, and if everything is live, he will know it. I will put it somewhere on the screen how you can get it. I'll also announce it on my Instagram and stuff, so don't worry, it will be clear. For now, it's not yet live. Just testing it. So we might even form like a monthly bearish as well. If you think about it, the highest high, okay, we're still not there yet from last week, but like the highest close, we can maybe form like a hidden, right? But usually when we have like a monthly, I would like to see not a hidden, but like, nah, never mind. That makes no sense. Hidden is always strong, so don't mind that. Yeah, just weekly now, because YM is not going above Friday's high yet. Looks like no trade today. Yes. Yes. There is no monthly yet though. We need to see a candle close for it to be hidden or something. But yeah, guys, if you are in a trade, let's say you entered from your strategy, I would take profits here for sure. At this high here, you can expect a retracement after this, most likely. Because we pretty much just go up without any deep retracement. And after we take out these important highs, you can expect maybe some push down. NQ1 already taken out that high. I don't care about NQ1. I only focus on the last contract, which is now NQU September 2025. There's a reason why I choose this specific contract, because it's the cleanest. It's the one that just everyone uses because it's the best price section. So I trust the SMTs here more than just the Forex NQ, like US 30 or something. Yep. You can hit B adjust on the bottom right. It will default to the same thing. Yeah. I haven't really tried it. I just tried to do it manually, but maybe like next time. Something here, right? Oh, like on the, yeah. So now this is the same thing. Yeah. I prefer to be on the exact contract, because now I don't really see that I'm on September. Whereas if I do this, then you'll see that we're actually on the September contract. But I think it's the same thing, yeah. ES already tapped the highs here. Okay, and NQ as well. So if you're in a long here, I would definitely use this as a take profits now. And yeah, today nothing much. Nice to see the concepts working. I was bullish on the higher time frame. Going lower here, we have bullish drawn liquidity, low resistance liquidity. We just don't form any setups. There's just like very singular cracks that push price up, which is nice, but I'm not gonna take a trade just because of the SMT field, just because of another SMT field. Like I need more, but it's nice to see the concepts working again. We just didn't tap below true opens, didn't form anything nicely. But yeah, everything still pointed up. If you were in the long, lower probability for sure, but it's not like invalid. Like shorts definitely didn't look good today. So that's gonna be me for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's actually gonna be news at 8:30, so it's not a very important news. Like I'm just gonna show up at 9:15. But yeah, let's see if we can get something tomorrow. I think if you showed up today and didn't take any trades, that's amazing, because that's why I try to show up on Mondays, right? Because then I build patience, I build the good habits. Just you being able to sit here maybe with me for 1 hour, 20 minutes, and you don't take anything, that's very good, right? There's a lot of people that now just click buy, sell, sell. Including me, like also a few weeks back last week. So if we keep working on it, then we'll get better.